Cooking Mama is a Japanese video game series owned by Cooking Mama Limited. The series is a compilation of many video games and adventures for Nintendo gaming platforms. Generally, the gameplay revolves around performing different kitchen tasks through the instructions of Mama to cook various meals. It was first released for Nintendo DS in March 2006 and later ported to iOS as Cooking Mama Let's Cook in 2009. In Cooking Mama, you are tasked with cooking over 70 international dishes using touchscreen. You follow the instructions of Mama, who will tell you to perform tasks such as chop vegetables, chop meat, flip food, and arrange the final dish using the stylus. These happen during mini-games to make the dish, which can last as little as 10 seconds. Each minigame represents a different activity, whether mixing, frying, chopping, or finalizing the dish. To perform the task, you do such things as quickly draw lines to tapping a button or ingredients. Players may have to use the top screen for guidance on the task in hand. Here is just a simple demonstration of the gameplay. If the player makes a serious blunder or time expires without sufficient progress being made, that step in the cooking process is considered a failure. When this happens, a graphic of an angry Mama with flames erupting from her eyes is displayed, along with the caption, "Don't worry, Mama will fix it." Dragging the stylus across the screen is interpreted as stirring a mixture or moving ingredients from one place to another. The scale of the performance varies from challenge to challenge, and the touchscreen is the key. The first Cooking Mama version was named after Cooking Mama DS. The modes include were Let's cook a simple easy mini dish where the player must do as Mama instructs. There were several versions released after that, namely Cooking Mama 2, Dinner with Family, Cooking Mama 3, Shop and Chop, Cooking Mama 4, Kitchen Magic, and Crafting Mama, amongst other versions which made Cooking Mama very popular. Regarding the revenue of Cooking Mama, as from 30 January 2008, the Cooking Mama series sold more than 2.6 million copies worldwide. Majesco also credited it, amongst other games, for an increase in revenue in early 2007. In results today, Cooking Mama generated a net revenue up to $18.7 million. This shows that the gameplay has significant popularity worldwide, whereby both genders are entitled to play this game. In this mode, players put their mini virtual gaming skills into practice by peeling, stewing, tearing food. The player is ranked at the end of each task. The genre that can be applied to Cooking Mama is cookery simulation-styled minigame, which compiles mini cooking sessions for Nintendo gaming platforms and contain playing one or more minigames. After each dish, you are awarded with a bronze, silver, or gold, depending on the average score of each minigame. The instructions are followed, the timeliness with which actions are completed, or the fidelity of gestures to the ideal type displayed on the screen. The quality of each step in the process, which it bears repeating, may simply be the speed with which that step was completed, contributes to the final score of the dish. Mastering dishes unlocks new recipes or the ability to fork recipes to produce new meal variations.